Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're looking into massive price drop that awaits for Bitcoin. We're going to discuss all of the information on this one and the possible bull run for the next 2 years, as well as first of all we need to crash a little bit to buy more coins. Now so let's go on the news first of all. In Bitcoin, the past is the mirror of the future, so we are in the position of the rising wedge on the high 1 month chart, as we can see right here, the 2021 all-time high, and a rising wedge is actually building up right now. And next on we go is everything priced in a Bitcoin is going towards zero. So if we look at all the other currencies compared to the Bitcoin, we could actually see that they are continuing to go down and down through the years and through the months, and the inflation is actually showing itself while Bitcoin is steady and continuing to grow. Title: if you gifted your family $100 in Bitcoin, Dogecoin and Ethereum last Christmas, here's how much they would have this Christmas. Scammers use Bitcoin in the mix to make it appear their shitcoins have 86.5% return, while the truth is that Bitcoin alone had 158% return. So investing $100 in those coins, a popular gift amount may have been giving the $100 in cryptocurrency to a loved one on the Christmas day 2022. So let's see, a $300 gifted consisting of the 3 top cryptocurrencies would be worth $559 today, an increase of 86.5%. Family members would likely welcome the return of any of these 3 cryptocurrencies over the last year, and for comparison, a $100 investment in an SDPR S&P 500 ETF trust, which tracks the S&P 500 index, would be worth $123.72 a day. This represents a return of 23.7%. So the holiday would likely be happier for loved ones who got cryptocurrency as a gift last year, as in many closes gift cards, cash, or actually stock. So next we go in is Bitcoin dominance has made a lower low in over a year, and it has been in steady uptrend with the higher highs and the higher lows consistently. This is true test now of the uptrend. Ways to adopt Bitcoin. If you will do the first one because you understood it, because BlackRock got the spot ETF, because Apple bought through the ETF, because your neighbor got rich from it, because your company pays salary in Bitcoin, because your country makes it legal tender. So now we're talking about the bull run, and what do we have here? Bitcoin may enter a bull market in the next 1 to 2 years, analysts suggest. According to the analysis of the MN Trading founder Michael Van de Poppe, Bitcoin could enter a bull market over the next 1 to 2 years. Van de Poppe highlights the downward trend in yields of 2-year and 10-year treasury notes in a recent post about the subject. Fed factors in Bitcoin. So reversal in yields generally means that the short-term interest rates become higher than long-term rates due to economic uncertainty or a weak growth outlook. He suggests that the market is pessimistic based on economic figures, as there is a significant weekly downtrend in government bonds. Van de Poppe knows that the current yield trends are a response to the monetary policy decisions of the Federal Open Market Committee. Now that the tightening practice has ended, November's inflation figures could be good news for the Fed. According to Bloomberg data, inflation in November fell below the Fed's annual 2% target for the first time in over 3 years, and based on a 6 months annualized measure, this development, along with expectations of interest rate cuts next year, has improved market sentiment during the holiday season. An expert opinion on Bitcoin. Fed cuts are generally positive for technology stocks as they reduce corporate borrowing costs, and Bloomberg reported in September 2023 that Bitcoin's price has moved back in a sync with the technology stocks after briefly disrupting this relationship in June. Therefore, all technological advancements and cheaper financial could help Bitcoin rise after a stagnant year in terms of price movement. And Van de Poppe also mentions that a bull market followed a similar yield curve trend in 2018 and reflects the current market trajectory. While positive macroeconomic factors indicate a potential Bitcoin bull run, the market is also approaching a halving event in a few months. As of December, Bitcoin's price has risen to this year's high of 44,000, marking an approximate 160% increase, but its price is still about the 37% lower than the all-time high of 69,000 reached in 2021. So that's all the information we got on the Bitcoin today, and if you are interested in more on a daily basis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one, and peace.